Hello, my name's Rafi,
My name's Chris.
and we are the founders of FirstGEAR. FirstGEAR is a program where we go to elementary schools and we teach STEM robotics and STEM education. We do this by implementing a robotics program.
We kind of familiarize the team and the teacher with robotics, and then they do a season where the teacher is in charge and we're just kind of the training wheels. And the idea is that after about a year, they can have their own robotics program.
We target elementary and middle schools that don't necessarily have the means to put on their own robotics program financially, or just, they're underfunded or understaffed. So what we do is we are that extra push, and we are those people that can be there, and we donate the kits and we give them the opportunity that we were so fortunate to have.
We also just kind of educate their coach in running a robotics team. Van Deen, which was the first school that we went to, we started with 5th graders and we just kind of showed them the basics of robotics. They went to competition and they all had a great time. They all brought their Viking hats and t-shirts that they made for their team. And the great thing about that was that it was a school's thing and it wasn't our thing.
The term that we really like to use is we really serve as the training wheels, where it's like we just help the program get on its feet, and we start it and we teach the fundamentals of teamwork, leadership skills, like really STEM education, programming, building, engineering, basics of engineering. This is something that is crucial. I mean, we're both going into engineering and science fields, and that would have never been on my radar if it hadn't been for our coach and our experiences that we had. So right now we have the skill, we have the people, we have schools lined up, but the only thing that's stopping us is the money, because our whole business model is that we raise money, we buy a kit, and then we donate the kit and teach the students how to use the kit. So we would be using 90% of that money directly towards the kit, the other 10% being the shirts and the extra add-ons that the kids get to experience. We then donate the kit to the school so that they can use it in the following years to come once we are gone and we've kind of established the robotics program. The money is directly for the kids. We'll also be having a portion of the money be going towards laptops, because what we learned at our last site was that the laptops that a lot of these elementary and middle schools have are very, very poor. They can hardly run the program. So what we would be doing is we would be buying a laptop that we would be donating to the school as well.
If we were able to get the money for this program, this would go from just something we did in high school to
a life accomplishment.
It would be, it would really be something for us, because right now this is just a temporary thing we did at one school. And if we do this and we get the money for it, we can start bringing more people on to help us. We can start training new volunteers, and we can stay on the board when we're in college and make sure that this keeps going, because without donations we're not able to go to these other schools, and there's really no point in continuing doing this because we won't have any materials.
One of the greatest things about being a coach and offering this program at other schools is seeing the joy that these kids get from the program.